Hi, and welcome to 5-Minute Features. Today, we're going to be covering looking at swatch palettes in Flexi19. So for our example today, I'm going to import a PDF file that my user has sent to me. The user wants me to use the colors within this file to replace the blue of the wing and the eye to match the background. They also want me to add some text above their logo so they can use it for a sign. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to retrieve the colors from this file. So I'm going to come down to my swatch palettes, right click on my table and select New Table. This is going to open up a new swatch palette for me to work with. I'm then going to right click on my swatch and select Merge from Document. This is going to bring in the colors from any vector file and create a new swatch library of those colors. I'm then going to click and drag out my swatch table to create a very handy little table here for me to work with. First of all, I'm going to use the Select Within function to select the Pantone Process Cyan and then change it to the blue swatch that the customer requires. I'm then going to do the same with the eye of my bee, like so. Now, my customer also wants me to write some text using the Pantone red swatch above their logo. So, I'm going to select my text tool, select the font which my user would like, and then I'm going to type Busy Bee, which is their company name, select my font, and simply use my red swatch, like so. I'm then going to select both my text and my object, and then align them vertically to make sure that they are nice and in line. Now, my customer also wants me to print out some swatches of my Pantone colors so they can approve them before we finish our printing. So I'm simply going to go to the View, Create Swatch, and Current Palette. Here in my Design Central, I'm going to choose New Table, which is my new swatch table that I created from the colors within the document. Here I can set the size of my swatch, like so, the spacing between my swatches, and also the height and the columns if I have more colors than 3. In the advanced options, you can choose to hide different colors, for example the process blue, as well as font for your labeling. When you are ready, you can simply press OK and then apply, and it will generate your 2 swatches here as you desire. Now I can simply export this file as a PDF, and it will retain the properties of the Pantone colors. That's how I can send it to my user for confirmation as well. When I exit my document, I can save my swatch palette, like so, in case I need to work on this in a different version of Flexi. And here we can see the default path it will select to save. Once I've saved my swatch table, if I want to import it to another version of Flexi or to another document, I can simply right-click on my swatch palette, New Table, right-click again, Import Table, and then I can import my Busy Bee swatch from the location it was saved to. Now, as you can see, it has saved all of the colors in my swatch. So if my user needs some further logos, for example, I can simply import the swatch palette and use the colors like so. Thank you for joining us for 5-Minute Features. Please let us know in the comment section if there's a feature that you would like us to cover in this series.